What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Civic. Don't mind how nasty it is because it's been sitting under a tree for a good while and hasn't moved. So today we're going to be replacing the flywheel because I think it might have a lightweight flywheel in it currently because the clutch is like all or nothing. It's hard to slip it, and I put a new clutch in it already. So next thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and replace the flywheel and see if that works. I'm wanting to just get this out of the way because we're about to dive into this thing and start doing all kinds of stuff to it. So I wanted to go ahead and knock that out. The flywheel we got is nothing special. I got this on Amazon. It said that it was an OEM replacement, so I will link this in the description below if any of you would like to pick it up. I think it was like 50 bucks. But yeah, so I am not going to be doing like a how-to video on this because I already did a pretty in-depth how to replace your clutch. So if you guys would like to see just how to pull your transmission, how to replace your clutch or flywheel, go check that video out. I'll link it down below if I remember. You can check that out. But this one, I'm gonna kind of see how quick I can get it done. I'm not gonna rush it. I'm just gonna see how quick I can get it done. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright friends, it's time for an update. It is currently day 2 of the Flywheel install. I could have had it all knocked out in the first day, but I needed a second set of hands on getting the transmission back up onto the engine. So my dad came over this morning and we got that back up in there with a couple bolts holding it in place. So now I'm just going to jump right back into it, and basically all we're doing is just reassembling everything. So I'll start working on all the bell housing bolts and go from there. we're done. We got the car all back together. It wasn't too bad. Hardest part about it was getting the transmission back up in. All right. Hardest part about it was getting the transmission back up to the engine. You really just need to have a second set of hands for that, because the transmission's such an odd shape. It's hard to jack it up by yourself, and you gotta have somebody guiding it and somebody jacking it. So anyway, we got it all back together. We'll see how it feels. One thing I completely forgot about was the transmission fluid, and it all leaked out when I took the axles out. So I'm not gonna drive it just yet. I'm gonna wait till I get transmission fluid and then fill the tranny back up, then we'll be good. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys in this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Nice little relaxing video, I guess you could say. Just one step closer to this thing being a race car. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna start diving into this Civic more and more as we go. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.